Also have breaking news this afternoon about measles. The Colorado Department of Public Health confirms a third measles case in our state. This one is an adult in Archuleta County in southwestern Colorado. Health officials haven't confirmed if that person is vaccinated or not, and they are warning people who visited the Wolf Creek ski area 2 weekends ago or the city market in Pagosa Springs that they may have been exposed. The second person to contract measles is a baby. This is the first time in more than a decade that the state has confirmed this many active cases of measles at the same time. Your reporter in Denver, Jasmine Arenas, joining us live from Denver Health. Jasmine, parents have a lot of questions here, including wanting to know what doctors are saying about vaccinating kids who are less than a year old.
Well, Michael, healthcare providers tell me if they're planning to travel with an infant under 12 months old, well, then they should check with their healthcare provider to see if they are able to get them vaccinated. Otherwise, if you have a weakened immune system or if you have an infant under 12 months, then you shouldn't get them vaccinated. An international trip ends in a hospital visit for one Denver family after their infant was diagnosed with measles following a travel to Mexico.
So really important first to note that this is not an outbreak.
This comes a week after a man from Pueblo was diagnosed with measles after returning from Mexico. Denver Health confirmed the case on Sunday. The baby, who was under 12 months old, is now recovering, but the diagnosis is raising a larger question. Should very young babies be vaccinated before travel?
If anyone has a child that's 6 to 11 month old and they know they're going to be traveling either internationally or to an area in the U.S. where there's a known outbreak, then they should talk to their doctor about getting that child vaccinated.
According to the CDC, babies typically get their first MMR dose at 12 to 15 months. Prior to that, their immune systems are still developing. The state epidemiologist in a statement said in part, quote, "The case is a stark reminder that families traveling internationally should delay unnecessary travel, especially when visiting areas with known measles outbreaks." Meanwhile, in Texas, measles cases surpassed 500, with 24 new infections confirmed over the last 5 days. Health officials say this may have to do with low vaccination rates.
People have misperceptions about the risk of side effects or adverse events from a vaccine versus the risk of measles itself, and they really are not close. The risk from the vaccine is extremely low.
Now, if you are looking for a vaccine clinic, especially in the Denver metro area, Denver Health is hosting some of those vaccines, and we'll have more of that information on our website, cbscolorado.com. I'm live in Denver. Jasmine Arenas covering Colorado First.
All right, Jasmine, thank you. And when things happen in Denver, Jasmine, of course, shares those stories with you. She is your reporter. If you have a story idea or if you see news happening, you live in Denver, reach out to her. She'd love to hear from you. You can email or call.